Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect the IC-EC111B Bluetooth Conductivity and Temperature Tester to the Jenco Wand App. If it is your first time using this unit, you'll need to activate the electrode by soaking the sensor in distilled water for between half an hour and 2 hours. After soaking, download the Jenco Wand App. For this demonstration, we are using the free version. You can view the Pro app inclusions in the video description. When downloading the app, be sure to download the app with the corresponding device code in the title. Once downloaded, insert the batteries into the meter. Do this by unscrewing the battery compartment on the top of the device, installing the two included batteries, observing the polarity, then replacing the cover and screw tightly into place. Press the power button to turn the meter on. There will be two quick consecutive repeating blinks of the Bluetooth light to indicate the wand is on and in pairing mode. Press the settings tab on the bottom right hand side of the app, then press pair on the top of the screen. The app will display all available units. Press connect when you see your device appear. And just like that, the conductivity meter is connected to the app. The Jenco Wand app is incredibly straightforward to navigate. There are three main screens to navigate through this app, being Measure, Calibrate and Settings. To start, we'll run through Settings. Under Reading Settings, you can select a language, a measurement parameter between conductivity, TDS and salinity, the TDS units of measure between grams per litre and PPT, select the salinity units of measure between grams per litre and PPT, choose the temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit, select the temperature reference, choose a temperature between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius, choose the temperature coefficient, this is selectable between 0 and 4%, select a TDS conversion factor between 0.3 and 1, and lastly, under Readings, turn on or off the removal of out-of-specification digits. Below the reading settings is an upgrade option. If you're using the basic free app, you can upgrade to the Pro. Additional features of the Pro edition include you can save readings with GPS information, you can share saved readings to other apps, and you can view the full calibration history. At the bottom of the settings are options for tutorials and further assistance. The center option on the menu is calibration. On this screen is where you can calibrate your instrument. For a video demonstration on how to perform a calibration, see the links in the video description. And last of all is a measurement screen. Up the top is the current conductivity measurement and current temperature reading, and below this are some extra tested details such as percentage of battery life remaining, day since last calibration, this will gain a value once the unit is calibrated for the first time, and the hold measurement button. For a video demonstration on how to calibrate this meter, or for details on how you can contact an Instrument Choice scientist for more information about this meter, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!